Hello Geminis, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what's going on in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are your energies, Geminis. So we have the Eight of Swords on your side. Let's see what are the energies of the person you're dealing with. Okay, we have the Fool on your person side. Most likely outcome. Okay, the Page of Swords. So as far as you are concerned, Geminis, we have the Eight of Swords. So there is some sort of a fear and reluctancy to leave the past behind and open up and come out of it. So something is definitely holding you back. As far as your person is concerned, we have the Fool. So this person is ready to take the leap of faith. They are ready to have a new beginning with you. They are ready to take the risks, if any. So they are ready to move forward in the relationship. For the most likely outcome, we have the Page of Swords. So I think some step forward will be taken in that direction. Okay, so let's clarify this Eight of Swords. So for the Eight of Swords, we have the Knight of Pentacles, the Eight of Cups, and the Strength. Okay. For the Fool on your person's side, we have the Two of Pentacles, the Page of Wands, and the King of Cups. For the Page of Swords as the most likely outcome, we have the Six of Pentacles, the King of Pentacles, okay, and the High Priestess. So Geminis, you are slowly and steadily trying to release whatever is holding you back, whatever these fears are, whatever these experiences are which are making you so much tied down in your life that you are not able to come out of it, or you are not able to release them, and you're not able to move forward in your life. You are slowly and steadily making an effort to come out of it. It's not easy for you, but yes, you are making an effort wholeheartedly, and though it's really taxing your strength, it's really, maybe you've been in that situation since a long time, but then yes, you are trying to release it, and I think you are finally able to do that. Though it's tough, but yes, you are definitely doing it. As far as your person is concerned, for the Fool, we have the Two of Pentacles, the Page of Wands, and the King of Cups. So this person is ready to take the leap of faith, and they are ready to move forward with you in the relationship, because even though they are indecisive, even though there are times when this person is not able to make a decision, perhaps because of the energies which are holding you back, and perhaps the fact that you are not able to move forward, maybe that is a thing which makes them indecisive, but still this person has a lot of love for you, and they are ready to take the risk which is involved. Okay, so this is a comparatively light-hearted energy as far as you are concerned in comparison to you. For the Page of Swords, we have the Six of Pentacles, the King of Pentacles, and the High Priestess. So definitely a step forward is being taken towards stability, towards stability and a long-term relationship, because somebody here is trying to balance. So both of you are trying to balance the relationship. You also are trying to come out of the negativity, and this person is ready to take the leap of faith. So ultimately, both of you, deep within your hearts, you know that this has a potential of being a long-term relationship, and that is why you are waiting also for each other and ready to give it time, because intuitively both of you, you know that you are right for each other, sort of. So things are getting balanced and things are getting fine. Guidance from this deck, number 17 may be of some significance for you. Have patience. Love is patient and kind, always. So Geminis, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.